Are you wondering how you can teach long vowel sounds to your kids without any confusion? Then you can teach them with the help of a silly and funny story like this. Have a look. Once upon a time in Alphabet Town, all the vowels decided to have a car race among them. All the vowel heroes selected the cars and A selected A car, E selected E car, letter E selected I car, O selected O car, selected U car. So finally the day has arrived and all went on a race. All the consonants cheered them up. So finally at the end, letter A won the race and everyone celebrated it with a competitive spirit. Yes, so the story is so funny, and if we teach such kind of concepts to your kids with the help of silly stories, they'll connect to it and they'll learn much faster. Okay, if you got any other idea while you're listening to that story, comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to watch my previous video on how I explain in detail on how and when you can teach long vowel sounds other than with the help of this story. Please check it out. Bye.